Well, in order to repair some scratches on leather shoes or some garments, let's say shoes, for instance, a great way would be using good old-fashioned shoe polish. If your shoes are a little scuffed up or a little wore out, you could throw some shoe polish on there and really try and buff it out. Depending on the color of the shoe, you could get shoe polish that will match the shoe color you have. There are different brands out there where we may be really familiar with that we see in all these big box stores, but a lot of times they'll have petroleum products in them, and you might not really want to put a petroleum-based product on your high-quality leather shoes. If you have a shoe leather made of shell cordovan, which is top-of-the-line leather, they call it the king of all leathers, you're going to want to find something that has a lot of natural, like beeswax elements inside of it, a lot of natural products. We want to stay away from petroleum. You're going to rub that shoe polish onto the shoe, add a tiny bit of water if you can, or even the old-fashioned little bit of spit. Call it a spit shine for a reason. You want to do really light layers, rub it onto the shoe, buff it in really well, and buff it off. When other items, like a couch or maybe your car seats or a leather jacket or something like that, you might be able to try the same techniques. But sometimes if a scratch is too deep, there's almost nothing we can really do about it sometimes if it's really damaged. Unfortunately, that's the story of leather.